How to trim music on Instagram Reels. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can trim music on Instagram Reels. For that, first of all, you will need to open your Instagram application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now once you are logged into your account, tap on that plus icon at the central button below. Once you do so, here swipe left and select this reel option. Now if you want to capture the instant reel, you can tap on this camera icon at the top left. And if you want to use your existing video from your gallery, then select a video from these options. Now once you find a video to create a reel, tap on it and you will reach to the editing space. Here at the left bottom, you will find music icon. Tap on this music icon. Now search for a song, or you can also select from these trending tracks. You can also tap on this play button at the left side to preview the song. Now once you find the song that you'd like to use for your reel, then tap on it. Now after tapping on it, you can use the slider bar at the bottom to choose a specific section of your song. You can drag the handles to adjust the start and ending points of the clip. Now once you have dragged and adjusted it, play the selected portion to ensure it fits your video. And once you are satisfied with the selected portion, now you can confirm your selection by tapping on that done option at the top right. You can also edit your reel further by adding the effects, text or stickers as needed. You may also tap on this edit video option at the left bottom below. And from here you can also trim the music on your Instagram reels. Once you are satisfied with it, now tap on this arrow button at the top right. Now you can post your Instagram reel. So in this way, you can trim music on Instagram Reels. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.